Spiny, but cute. Yes, hedgehog. The hedgehog is a spiny mammal from the subfamily Erinaceinae, in the family Eulipotyphlan Erinaceidae. There are 17 species of hedgehogs in 5 genera found throughout parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Like most of the first mammals, they had adapted to a nocturnal way of life. Their spiny protection resembles that of porcupines, which are rodents, and echidnas, a type of monotreme. It's just that the spines on a hedgehog aren't sharp. As a nocturnal animal, the hedgehog has a habit of exploring at night. Hedgehog prey on insects and small animals, such as slugs, beetles, and earthworms. They are solitary by nature, and can make their home anywhere from deserts, parks, or plantations. When threatened, they can roll themselves up into a ball. One of the special things about hedgehogs is their resistance to snake venom. Even so, the hedgehog does not reach 100% immunity, and if attacked by a more vicious snake, the hedgehog may still succumb to its bite. The average lifespan of hedgehog living in the wild is 7 years. Those are some things about hedgehogs. Spiny but cute animal. Are you interested in keeping it? Keep watching this video until the end so you can get to know hedgehog better.